Thank you, Linda. Thank you, Evelyn. Thank you, everyone. I'm very, very happy to be here. That was, with Father Jean, that was such a hard act to follow, but I'll humbly do my bit here. So here's my message to our human family throughout the world. And I'm speaking from the bottom of my heart as a mother and grandmother. A quality of life floor and a personal wealth ceiling make a house we can all live in, warmed with love and opening to a beautiful garden under the sky, where everyone can enjoy unlimited intellectual, social, and cultural riches.
Bravo, bravo, Marilyn. Thank you so much for that contribution. We have you on tape now, and we will use it for good wherever we go. So thank you so much for being our brave first message to the world person. That is wonderful.